Hello guys, thank you so much once again for opening this video. I'm Mark Baraka from Barak Hub, and in this video I'm going to create I'm going to create this together because it's going to be a playlist with a number of tutorials, a number of videos. We are going to come up with a website, a medical website, something like this. As you can see, it's such a nice and beautiful website. We, of course, we are not going to have everything, but we're using this as a benchmark so that we come up with something related to this. It won't be like this, but it will be something related to this. I don't want to copy exactly what is here, but you're going to have something like this because for me, I suck so much when it comes to designs, and I always need to have something or some site I benchmark from so that I can come up with a site. But I always get hard times coming up with a site without a benchmark. So we are going to have something related to this. This is some nice medical site, and of course, for those who want to buy this, it's found on the theme forest. You can see Medicare at $69 only. It has 6.6K sales, and the last update is of May 18th, 2022. Yes, of course you can get it, but for me, I rarely go for this because I always want to come up with something I can customize and something I can easily change, I can easily modify. So we have this. Uh, this is now our site, our demo, or where we're going to be creating our site from. So I think let's get started. You're going to get started by installing. You're going to install two plugins for now. You're going to install Elementor. Okay, installing Elementor. It's this. It has 5 million active installations. I do believe, and I'm doing this video. I'm very sure that you guys following this, you are. I have some basic knowledge using Elementor, and of course, have some basic knowledge using WordPress. Another plugin I'm going to install is called Elements Kit. Okay. Of course, you might have a number of options to choose from, but I do use this for my sites. So I have this. Install these two. We, of course, are going to install a number of them, but for now, let's use this. Okay. So let me go to install the plugins. We can, of course, activate all of these. Good. I might also need some plugin for photos. I don't have photos. Photos. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, another thing I want to let you know that I downloaded the logo from this site, this logo and this logo, and the footer, this one. And of course, I'll be getting some images like this, maybe. This is the background, I can't get it. Of course, we shall be using some other site to get images. I just wanted to add a plugin which can give me free images. I think it's called Pixabay, I don't know, Pixabay, something like that. Let me see. Maybe, might be this, maybe. Pixabay images, 5 years ago, no? 3 months ago, is it compatible? Just creation is voluntary, maybe but it's old, it's old. Let's go with this. It has 9,000 last week. And let's just install this and see how it works. Let's just see how this works. It's okay. So we have a new version, no? New update. It can't update, it's okay. So we have this. What we are going to do, we are going to first make some setups, settings. We got reading. We change this to minutes. Okay, let's first install a theme. I always use this. Hello, and it's what I'm going to activate. Of course, you can install it and activate it if you want to use it. This is the primary theme for Elementor. It's what I normally want to use, and it's nice to use and very light. So I go settings, readings. I don't know what could be the problem. Is it reading or writing? I don't know. Let me see. What could be the problem with this? No, it's not showing me. It's okay. You can use the customization to change the home page. Okay. We can create pages from here. I'm going to create a menu. I'll call it primary menu. Now, so next, I'll add items in the primary menu. I'll need the home, add one. I need the blog, add it. I need custom links, about us, add, add. So need something like services, which you can also add. Push this down. Maybe we need to contact us. And also add this. I have this as our publish. And of course, what do we have here? Let's go here and see page settings. This one static pages. This one's home. This one is set to the blog. We set this and exit. So we are going to go to Elements Kit. When you have just installed it, of course, at times it might need you to do some setups. Need advanced. For me, I choose advanced, where it will automatically enable all the free items. Next, 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 and finalize. It's okay. So now we are going to build our header. Let's start. Need a header. We call it header. Use header, entire site, activate, we save. Then we edit. Want to edit with Elementor. So we have this. Let me see what we have here. Okay, we don't have anything yet. Okay, we want to come up with something like this, as you can see here. Let's see how we are going to go about it. It's loading slow. My internet isn't good. I'm so sorry, guys, but it is going to load. The internet is not good. Just open this and see. Yes, it has opened. So let's look at our, we can see it starts from here. It's not full width. It has some padding or some margins. So you're going to create this one here. So I have this. I think you're going to make it boxed. This is white background. Okay. So what else do we need? We have this, there are two rows. Okay. We're going to have this first row. Then we are going to have another. Okay, for now, let's have this. And what do we need to add? We need some section for the logo, this and this. Okay, so you're going to divide this into 4. Duplicate, we create 4 columns. Good. So here we need to have a section for the logo, where we are going to add our logo. Select our files. I created some folder which I named Medicare. I don't know where it is. Where I don't know where it is. See, okay, I'll have this and this. Let me have both. So we need this. Put it there. What else? We need this. But this is a bit big, so we need to make this. This one's going to be 30. This one's going to be 60. I mean, 70 divided by 3. That's what? Let me see. I'm not good at math, and 70 divided by 3, 23. So this one will be 23. This one will be 23. And this one will be 23. It's okay, it can be 24. So we have this. We need this and this. An icon and some text. Let's go back here. See? Icon. Box. Like this. Let's try this. Height. It's wanted to be on the left. Yes, on the left. On the left, and being on the left. That's the icon. Icon is what? It's clock. I don't know whether that's clock. Let me see. This here. It's there. And we have this, is it? Monday, Friday. Something like this. Then we have something like this. Does it make some sense? I don't think this will make some sense. Let's try another icon box. Okay, guys, you can't. It's quite hard for you to know a lot of the things. I feel that times you need to do try and error until what you want comes out. Let me see this. How does it arrange? I hope. Let me see. Middle, bottom, vertical line. Uh, uh, uh. Let's see this one to WordPress. Don't see view, stacked, no. Friend, no. Shape circle, that will be better, but yes, this. This might work. Let's try this and see. Let's not print it's default. Then you come here. This. And we also do this. And we try to reduce. So for this, we come to the style icon. That was the icon. Icon was a clock. So we come to the style. We try to increase the spacing now. Let's try content. Title. The color is give it this. Okay. Give this one 16. Okay. 15. And front page slightly not so thick. and the same with description. Okay, give it 15. So let's see. Read it. How does it appear? It's not good. So we are going to make this full width. You can get a full width. Maybe this, but we give it a width of 1, 2. Still small. Okay, full width. Then this inside. Let's try to navigate and see the intersection. The intersection. Let's give it full width too. And so it will appear. I think that's slightly good. See, these ones are close to each other. Come here. Sizes. Yes, this is good now. It's okay. Let's see. But I think this is not equal. There are some kind of, but anyway, for now, let's first go with it. The icon size is not big. It's small. Icons size is no. Let's see. Okay. And our logo. Then we are going to add this into here. When we add this, we shall have now 2. Yes. Then we add a low. Let's make this 30. Yeah, than 70. Then we come and add an icon. Here. This icon is going to be clock. Guys, some of the things, of course, need to be so creative, and you keep trying until what you want comes out. There are a lot of things with Elementor, and yes. So you have this heading, there are a lot. So you have to keep trying until what you want comes out. Of course, there are those who might be so sure of what they are doing, but of course, at times what you want may not come out exactly the way you want it. Let's try to change this to style this to some, let me see which colors. By the way, I wanted to get this color, but for now let's first go with that. I'm going to install some extension which helps me. Let me duplicate this. I write this, put it here. Okay, and I make it a bit faint, and this one too, faint. So when you try to do this, we have that, but that's not what you want it to be like. So let's go back to our this one, and we make this one full width. Making it full width, we have that, because still it isn't coming out the way we want it to be. Let's try to see. It's full width, right and left outer, no gap. Still it isn't coming out. But anyway, we can try to increase this a bit to 80 and see how it will be. Yes, that has come out. Then I try to put this up. Remember, I want to come up with something like what is from the Medicare side. It's going to be negative 20. Need this. Oh my God. Then I'll have something like that. Does it look like? Not really. Just need to come and reduce this a bit. Give it a size of 20, 30, 5, something like that. And we see how it's going to appear. Then we good. So let's try to duplicate this. Need to duplicate this. I wanted to duplicate this, but I don't know how I'm going to select it. I try to navigate. This. Duplicate. No, that's not what I wanted. I just want to create a duplicate of this. Let me see. Duplicate. Okay. Put this on the sides. Good. Then remove this. And let me see. Okay. So I have that, and we duplicate this again. Yes, so we have that. So here we shall put a phone number for this. The icon is a phone. Let's put this maybe. Okay, and what else do they have here? They have this. Copy this and paste here. And here, which icon is this? It's a location map marker. So we put it. It's this, and the location is this. And this one, just call it Kampala, Uganda. Update. So far, that's where we have reached. You can see. Let's compare this. Yeah, there's some kind of padding, bottom and top padding, which you need to add. Bottom and top. Then 10. There we go. So we have that. Then we need to have this now. We have search, social links, and the menu. So what are you going to do? We are going to have another 3, something like this. Good. So search, this one is going to be also full width, no gap, full width. This one is going to be 70%. Hey, say this one is taking 70. So take 15. This one will take 15. This is 70, not 7. 15. It's okay. So you can have that, and can maybe give this one 20. This is on the search button. So we are going to add our navigation. Nav, limit kit, put it there. We select our primary menu, and that's on the left. We come and reduce on the height. We give the height 40. That's cool. And here we add the social icon, maybe search, form, put it there. Oh, it's more like that. Huh? Is it classic, minimal? I don't need this. I need this. I need a good search. Oh, this. Perfect. Try to place it in the center. Okay. Just need to introduce it a bit. Then here we add the social links. So try this. Let me see how they look like. Wow, this is horrible. Didn't want this. Let's just try to add the icon list. Yes. Don't have anything. It's up to Facebook. and footer, and we need what else? What else is Instagram? This. Then we put it in this way. Okay, so here it is, but need to center this. Vertical alignment should be in the middle. Same with this, should be in the middle. Same with this, should be in the middle. Perfect. So here we are. Let's try to edit this. Increase their size a bit. Icons, increase size to 30. Wow, 20, 18. Cool. That's cool. Okay, can put it at the end. Then let's try to see how does it look like. Okay, so going to put this paddings from the right, we give it 60, and the left you can give it 62. That's cool. Let's see, does it look like that? It's okay. So we're going to add top border. Give it 1. The color, the same color, which is faint a bit. Let's set this as gray. I don't know whether that's gray, but let's go with that. So I have that as gray. Let's just go with that. It's not gray, but let's go with it. Then for this, we can give it some nice color too. And the search, can give it some dark color. And that's also cool. Let's just stop there. Then let's see what is here. It has this and this. This dark color has can come here and give this some border. It has on the right and on the left, and the color is gray. Hope it has come. Yeah, it is coming. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. This, I do believe that this is cool. Then for this, can just give some small shadow. This shadow should be vertical. Something small. Separation, not to separate too much. Something like that. See? Yeah, that's cool. I think you guys are seeing what we are doing. It looks cool and it looks beautiful. Wow. You see? Here we are. So we have this, and this. Of course, it's not exactly, but there somewhere we have reached. So guys, for now, let me stop here in this video. We're going to resume with another video. We are going to finalize with our header. We start with the footer, then we shall have those two Then we start developing the content in the middle. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And continue. I'm going to be posting this until we finish all these pages. It's going to be a full standing website. Thank you so much, guys, and love you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to comment. Please don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much.